Investing can be confusing, especially for people unfamiliar with how the markets work. Over the last couple of months, the role of retail investing applications like Robinhood have garnered significant national attention. This following the Reddit-driven market action that surged stocks like GameStop. We asked an expert, the CEO of a retail investing app, to give his advice navigating this landscape for new investors, as well as the future of the booming cryptocurrency marketplace. Joining us now is Azizi. He is the CEO of Front.org. He's joining us now from San Francisco. Bam, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Some of the biggest financial and quite frankly political news headlines really over the last month or so have really been focused on retail investing. Front.org kind of works in that space. First off, what are your takeaways and what do you think retail investors should take away from the market action that we've seen really over the last month or so?
Yeah, there is a market mania definitely out there, and that's why I started Front to help active retail investors to be able to kind of have a place to get some free advice. And whenever they hear from their cousin or roommate that you should buy GameStop or Tesla, you want to just run it by us first. You want to check Front app and then see what other people are talking about and what other financial advisors and influencers are talking about Tesla or GameStop or any other stock. And then make your decisions based on that. And also you want to check the financial part of the decision. You want to make an informed decision. My one advice for all the retail investors is just look at the investment as a long-term game, not just buying now and selling tomorrow.
A couple weeks ago, Elon Musk announced that Tesla is going to start accepting Bitcoin as payment for cars, and that's huge, right? The consumer marketplace really hasn't accepted Bitcoin as a currency for consumer purchases really until very recently, and this is game changing. So what does this kind of mean for the future of the consumer crypto marketplace?
Yeah, so my take at crypto is like it's a kind of newborn baby. So it's like when you look at crypto and the crypto market, you should bear in mind it's like it's not regulated that much. There are a lot of scams and pump and dump scheme there, but there are some legit technologies out there that consumers are better to kind of tend to opt in and use it on a daily basis. And Tesla offering that is one step in the right direction.
For the average consumer watching the market these days, you can see crypto surging. It's intimidating, right? So if I'm wanting to get into investing at this point and kind of wanted to dabble in the crypto marketplace, what's your advice?
My advice is put a cap in terms of like percentage of your portfolio that you want to invest in crypto. Don't go all in. It's not quite there yet. It's very volatile. And I personally have like 5% of my portfolio in crypto and diversified versus like within the crypto range in different assets. But I believe that there are some risks especially for young investors that they actually care about environments. There are a lot of environmental issues around Bitcoin and other cryptos. Like these are like temporaries. We are going to build new technologies that help us to speed up the process. But I believe, again, it's a newborn baby. It needs time to grow and find its place some point, but at this time, I would strongly suggest everybody who wants to invest in crypto, do their due diligence, do their research, don't go all in and just put a cap in terms of the percentage of your portfolio.
Last week, Coinbase filed their direct listing, and notably while doing so, they reported that their revenue doubled between 2019 and 2020. What do you make of that, and what reflection does that say on the booming crypto marketplace right now?
It's actually very good. It adds a lot of transparency to the industry. So, for instance, we didn't know how much Coinbase is making or how they make money. Same for Robinhood. If it goes to IPO, it adds transparency to this opaque industry. It would be very good to have like some healthy regulation around that.
Azizi, he is the CEO of Front.org. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
And that's your business brief for today. I'm Andy Hirschfeld in New York.